Hello everyone, today I am presenting 4 practical assignment on social media advertising campaign. आज हम सीखेंगे कि एक इफेक्टिव सोशल मीडिया एडवर्टाइजिंग कैंपेन कैसे क्रिएट जाता है। सिर्फ पोस्ट को बूस्ट करना ही डिजिटल मार्केटिंग नहीं होता, बल्कि सही ऑब्जेक्टिव सेट करना, प्रॉपर ऑडियंस टारगेटिंग करना और बजट प्लानिंग भी उतना ही जरूरी है। इस वीडियो में मैं आपको स्टेप बाय स्टेप पूरा प्रोसेस समझाऊंगी, इसलिए वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखें। लेट्स बिगिन। सबसे पहले आपके पास फेसबुक अकाउंट नहीं है तो आपको एक पर्सनल फेसबुक अकाउंट क्रिएट करना होगा। फेसबुक अकाउंट के बिना हम बिजनेस पेज या एड्स रन नहीं कर सकते। अकाउंट क्रिएट करने के लिए facebook.com पर जाए, क्रिएट न्यू अकाउंट पर क्लिक करें, अपना नाम, ईमेल या मोबाइल नंबर, पासवर्ड और बेसिक डिटेल्स फिल करें और अकाउंट वेरीफाई करें। अकाउंट क्रिएट होने के बाद लॉगिन करें, फिर हम बिजनेस पेज क्रिएट करेंगे। After login, I will click on the menu option in the top right corner and then I will select pages. We have to select create page option. At this time, we have to enter 3 details: page name, category and bio information. As I am going to create it for my YouTube channel. Then category, you can select multiple categories. And enter bio. This is optional. Still I'm going to enter it, and now click on create page. Now Facebook is asking to complete additional details to improve page visibility and ad performance. Here I can add contact information such as website, phone number and email. Then we have to add profile picture and cover photo. Click on next. It will help us to improve our performance. This connect WhatsApp to your page. It is completely optional. You can skip it for right now. Build your page audience. Grow CSIT Hub by inviting your friends to connect with it. So you can invite your friends from here. Send invitation. Okay, invite sends. And click on marketing and promotional emails about your page. If you want to receive emails, you can select this option. Else click on done. You are now acting as CSIT Hub on Facebook. Why this is here? I open my personal account, but here I have created page. That's why I got this message. You are now acting as a CSIT Hub on Facebook related to my page. This is your professional dashboard. When you will post anything, you will get details on this professional dashboard. Now we are going to create our first post. So click on create post. I want to create post. Type your content here. If you want to add uh, anything related to your post, you can add it. I want to add a photo. Yes. And click on next. On post. If you want to add WhatsApp button, so you will get messages on WhatsApp, you can add it, or else you can select not now. Now the promotional post is successfully published. The next step is to promote this post using Facebook advertising tool. Then go on your page. See, this post is done already. We want to boost post, so click on boost post or you will get promote option. Now from here ad setup will start. We need to set our goal here. So we need to change it here because messages is not our goal. We want more engagement. See different, get more leads, get more website visitors, get more page visits and followers. Okay, so we'll set get more engagement. Click on save. And then if you want to add text, you can add it. Else earlier we have added text. See, if you want messages, you can select button. So you will get message over your messenger. If you want to connect this with more channels, Instagram is there, WhatsApp is there. You can select these options. Now important part once again here, audience. You need to set this audience. So click on edit option. Now see to whom you are creating this video, men, women or all. I am creating it for all. What will be age limitations here? You can select age. Now I am going to keep it as it is because whoever have interest in digital marketing can come and look this video. Select location. India is by default. You can select different countries also. Okay, so that will be depend upon you. Okay, now the last section is their budget. Okay, for how many days you want to run this campaign and what will be your budget. So you can select it from here. If you want to change it, you can change it. We'll see in detail. Select time zone. As we are publishing it for Indian people, select our time zone. Okay, I want it for only 3 days. Okay, select days. Select your, okay, we'll go with this. Our setting is almost done. Now after successful payment, your post will be boosted. Once it is done, click on publish. Select your appropriate payment method. Click on next. Fill these details, additional information. And save it. Yes. Click on next. So scan it and pay it. Thus, we have successfully created Facebook business page, published a promotional post for my YouTube channel and set up a target advertising campaign using a boost post feature. In this campaign, I selected appropriate objective, defined target audience, set a control budget and specified the campaign duration. So this process helps in increasing channel visibility, driving website traffic and reaching the right audience effectively. To get updates about my next videos, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on notification bell. Thank you.